Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the best foods that are good for your eyesight. Your eyes are one of the most important organs in your body, and they need proper nutrition to function well and prevent diseases. Here are some of the foods that you should include in your diet to keep your eyes healthy and sharp. 1. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that helps your retina and other parts of your eye to work smoothly. Vitamin A also protects your eyes from dryness, night blindness, and infections. You can eat carrots raw, cooked, or juiced, or add them to your salads, soups, or cakes. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that can protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. You can eat leafy greens raw, cooked, or blended into a smoothie or a pesto. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of protein, zinc, and selenium, which are essential for your eye health. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as vitamin E, which can prevent oxidative damage to your eyes. You can eat eggs boiled, scrambled, or poached, or make an omelette or a quiche. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower inflammation, improve blood flow, and support the health of your retina and optic nerve. They also contain vitamin E, which can protect your eyes from free radicals and UV rays. You can eat nuts and seeds as a snack, or add them to your salads, granola, or trail mix. 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are loaded with vitamin C, which can boost your immune system, fight infections, and prevent scurvy. Vitamin C can also help your body produce collagen, which is a protein that forms the structure of your eyes. You can eat citrus fruits fresh, squeezed, or peeled, or make a juice or a salad. 6. Fish. Fish such as salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can improve your vision, prevent dry eyes, and lower the risk of glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy. They also contain vitamin D, which can strengthen your bones and teeth, and support your eye health. You can eat fish baked, grilled, or steamed, or make a sandwich or a sushi. These are the best foods that are good for your eyesight. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to comment below and let me know what are your favorite foods for your eyes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!